Hi, Zoe. Did you get a new toy? Did you get a new toy, honey? You like your new toy? Huh? Oh, it's so busy. You're so busy. Oh, yep. We gotta eat it, huh? So many things to look at. But we really like that one piece right there. The little feet down there. Hi, baby girl. What do you think? Is this fun? Huh?
Zoe Badger don't care.
Zoe Badger don't care? Zoe Badger don't care, huh? Ooh, look at that. Some pictures, huh? Oh, such concentration. Such concentration. Don't know what to play with first. I'm just not sure, huh? Hi, baby. Oh, this ought to keep her busy for hours. Better than that old activity gym, huh? Now you get to sit up. Alright, baby. Say bye-bye. You don't care.
Zoe Badger don't care.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, bless you. Bless you.